Muthenya wa umunthi President William Ruto ni wavikia kwithiwa aimuweta na kumuvinguia rasmi Mutongoi wa ulei na ulani Raila Odinnga kwithiwa ayithi kukitia kivila cha mwenekivila wa ngwatanio ya nthi ilasi ilembetani ya Afrika.
President William Ruto niwe Kutongoesya eseso enene ya kuvingwa kampeni cia kumukonia maleve Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinnga kukitia kivila cha AU usakwanini ula ukite wa kivila ki.
We are going to be launching the Raila Odinnga for AUC chairmanship.
Ainene acha thini kine kila chetha kiitwa hivyo manene ya serikali. Ruto niwe ikathia muno muvinzani wake usakwani mvetu wa 2022 aimuweta Raila ta Mutongoi we yumite muno na wona nisetenekana ethana ngoi ya utongoi na yune vinde vikio kilikivendela cha nthi ya Kenya kuthi nthi sianza.
We believe that offering a highly qualified, experienced and competent candidate to lead the Africa Union Commission is perfectly consistent with our commitment to the transformation of our continent through our institution of Pan-African unity. The Honorable Raila Odinnga is a celebrated statesman whose longevity in leadership has been sustained by an unrelenting devotion to democratic change as the foundation of sustainable freedom and prosperity. The Honorable Raila Odinnga possesses the professional capacity and experience, a proven track record of transformative leadership, and a wide experience of accomplishments at the national and regional levels.
The people of Kenya have been united to a man by the candidature of the Right Honorable Raila Odinnga to be the chairperson of the African Union Commission. This is a quest that has brought pride to our nation.
Ngaliko yake Mutongoi withitwe wole kwa ilungu yasa niwaweta niwe yumiti hetha kosa kivila ki kuvindwa uthio wa nthi cia Afrika kwivo kuthinikia muno maundu ala methitwe maivithukia nthi ii ta uvinduku wa nzeve nzambingi undu umwe na mawu kivithukanio na kuikiithya nthi ila ciithitwe ikunika muno ni uvinduku wa nzeve kuma kundu kungi ni cietha yivwa andu mo.
I envisage an Africa where our visionary sloganeering will translate into strategic action for the transformation of our continent. Unfortunately, even as we rise, our continent still grapples with emerging challenges and vulnerabilities, including identity conflicts and wars, hunger, poverty, violent extremism, advanced climate change, acute unemployment among our youth, transboundary pandemics and infectious diseases such as mpox and other threats to human security and dignity. My plan is to work with you, Your Excellencies, and make the AU more people-centered and serve the interests of the vast voiceless majority of Africans.
Atongoi ala mevikite cha thini kini vamwe na President wa nthi ya Uganda Yoweri Museveni, wa Tanzania Mama Suluhu Hassan, wa South Sudan Salva Kiir, ulawe President wa Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo, ulawe wa Tanzania Jakaya Kikwete, kati wa Ndongoi ingila situmitwe ni atongoi mwa kukwata mbau iseso ye.
Raila, historically speaking, has been on the side of patriotism within Kenya here. There are some individuals in Raila's group who I don't think know what they are doing. You know, I am a consumer of intelligence services. So I always see intelligence service reports. There's a character called Babu. I always see Babu. Dealing with anti-Ugandan group, anti-NRM group, seeing Ugandans. So I had never chosen him, but now I am choosing Babu.
I have known Right Honorable Raila Odinnga for many years, and his Pan-African commitment and his consistency is admirable.
You will do more than that. You will make Africa proud. You will make Africa powerful. You will make Africa peaceful.
kivila kicha AU Raila ithaisinda na ndongo ingi cia nthi ingi Evo Mohamed Ali Yusuf wa Djibouti, Richard Radia Madirato wa Madagascar na Anil Gayana wa Mauritius.
I have said that I'm an Afro-optimist as opposed to Afro-pessimist. Afro-pessimists are those people who have given up on Africa, who say Africa is a lost cause, a wasted continent. But Afro-optimists are those people who believe in African development, that Africa can be developed with the efforts of the African people. This is what I believe in. More importantly, we need to address the issue of infrastructure development in the continent that will make it easier for African countries to trade with each other.
Joseph Itheka, ngilivote vilingi wa Mauvo, Mutongoi TV.